Hello, Avion Express team. Can you help me shop online from America? I live in Dubai.
Hello there. Yes, of course, we are glad to guide you step by step to shop online and ship it worldwide. You can shop online from Amazon, eBay, JCPenney, Adidas, Apple Store, and all other online stores in America. For all that, first you need an American address, which we will provide you. For free of cost, go online and register at www.avionexpress.com at Shop and Ship.
I understand. I will do that. Then what should I do?
Once you have created your profile, go and shop from any store and give your new U.S. address for delivery. We will accept, check the goods, pack it, and ship it to your address.
Hope your shipping cost will be reasonable.
Yes, of course, we offer the best rates in North America for express shipping.
Thank you very much for your help.
If you still need any more help, feel free to call me on our telephone number or email me. I will be more than happy to help you.
Oh sure, thank you. Bye.
Have a great day. Bye.